guys, welcome back to the Jack Homestead. I'd like to say hi to all you guys. Jack Pack, got that? Jack Pack, see that? Anyway, today Mrs. Jack and I are making for dinner what's called a Rachel. It's a girl version, I guess you would say, of a Ruben, because it's made with pastrami and not corned beef. Has all the other ingredients that you would have on a Ruben, like sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, which we'll put on here, Swiss cheese. The other additive thing to this is the mozzarella cheese.
What
So
kind of bread? What kind of bread?
This is a rye bread, a whole loaf I cut in half. I'm going to save the other half for Super Bowl Sunday. Go Birds. So what we're going to do, I'm going to cut this pound and a half of pastrami in half, and then rough cut it or chop it, and then put it in this pan with a little bit of oil, warm it up, and then while that's doing that, I'm going to take some of the Thousand Island dressing, pour it on there, spread it on there real good. Put some sauerkraut on there, and then top it off with some cheese, some Swiss cheese and mozzarella, and let that, we'll put that in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees and let that crisp up and make that cheese turn into some beautiful goodness. Golden brown on the topping spot. It's going to be really good, guys. So stick around with us. We'll be right back with the finished product. Okay guys, I'm going to chop up the pastrami. I'm going to cut it in half, about right there, and I'm going to put this half back in the bag. I better save that paper. There we go. And we're just going to rough cut this. A little bit of oil. Turn this on. There. Oven's ready. Remember, preheat it to 400 degrees. Open up my can of sauerkraut. Next year we'd like to try to make, and let's get our meat in this frying pan. Get it warmed up a little bit. I'm going to get my dressing out. Spread that on there just like that. Look at that, Mrs. Jack.
That looks beautiful. Guess what, Mr. Jack?
What?
I found your gloves on top of the duck coop.
Oh, that's right. I forgot. See that? I'm very forgetful. Sure. Now what we'll do is put a little water in this. Not a lot. Enough to get her steaming up there. Cover that lid for a few minutes. Oh, there's
That
these.
goes on next. And then the sauerkraut.
Yep. The pastrami will go on there. And then the sauerkraut. And then the cheese. Which I gotta open up. And I'm really excited about this.
And you should give a special shout out to your cousin who recommended.
Oh yes, yeah. My cousin
Deletta.
Deletta had this on her Facebook page. Way to go, Deletta. Woo woo. All right, I think that's good and hot. I'm gonna move this over so I can get this meat on here. And spread it out, kind of try to get it evenly. This is a good test to see if it'll be enough. The other half will be enough for Sunday Super Bowl. It'll be enough for me, but oh my God, this is gonna be so good. I'm excited.
Me too. We've never made this.
Yeah, this is the first time. Oops, there's a piece of meat. Bloop. And then you take the sauerkraut. I don't know if you're supposed to heat this up or not. Did it say anything about heating it up?
Nope.
Oh. This is gonna be really good. Can't let that happen. Look at that. Beautiful thing right there. You know, it's funny, Mrs. Jack, this is the only time she'll ever eat sauerkraut. She don't know what she's missing with roast pork with sauerkraut. Oh, my grandmother used to make the best. Look at that, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? What should I put on first?
Well, you're gonna just mix them together. It doesn't matter.
Excuse me. I wish you guys could smell the Swiss cheese. Oh, this is going to be awesome. And I would put a cookie sheet on this because the cheese is kind of moves around on us. Trying to get that cheese back up on there. Oops. All right, guys, we're going to put it in the oven for, watch out, Lulu. Come on, Lou. 15 minutes. Oh, oh yeah. See it, guys? There we go. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Booyah! All right, guys. It's been 15 to 17 minutes. And we're going to take it out. And we're going to go, hey, look at that.
Looks wonderful.
Oh, you guys should smell it. It's awesome, awesome sauce. Mr. Jack, want this piece or you want the inside?
Inside. Don't record that. Can you see me in it?
Shh. You messed that up. About like that. That's your camera. Look at that.